Make a tutorial how to make sub-admin panel. First, import the model in the description and let us wait. After that, open it and ungroup everything into the right place. By the way, subscribe please. And up, after that, after that, let let us let us open the subscript service and the module, and then Coach Hunter open it and open the role. Wait. And then paste your ID in the owner. Double check it, chat. Subscribe so I will make a tutorial how to add more command. Wait, you need to publish it, guys. And then type CMDS onto the chat like this. CMDS. If you publish it, you need to type that to open that. So that's all for today. Bye bye. See ya.